Do you know the difference between privacy and secrecy and how they play out in your relationship? Well, that's our conversation's topic for this week. Privacy versus secrecy. Neville, do you know the difference?
I suspect privacy is your right. I think being secretive is your choice.
Privacy is your right while you're single. It's no longer your right when you're in a relationship.
Me just feel say nobody know nothing you know want nobody know. Because when people know certain things, them ruin it.
Yeah.
So me kind of just feel say you must keep what you want to yourself.
Right.
You can't keep everything to yourself. Someone said one day that I tell everybody everything about me and smile. And when they said that, I say, you know where I live? And she said, no. I say, you know what kind of car I drive? She said, no. I say, you know what my girlfriend name? She said, no. So I don't really tell everybody everything about me.
And by the way, a girlfriend, everybody never girlfriend don't name no.
Actually, she does. It just spelled different.
It's just spelled different. Is it pronounced as no, but it's
to me, privacy is power. What people don't know, them can't rule.
Right. So, a lot of times when people get into relationships, they have, as individuals, their own goals, right? Rarely do they discuss like a relationship goal, right? Or relationship goals. So, as a couple, we want to achieve this, that, and that as a couple. For me, anything that has a direct impact on where those goals, that relationship or those relationship goals go, you should reveal, right? And then
Say that again?
Anything that will have a direct material impact on your relationship goals, you should reveal.
Okay.
And then anything else after that, for me, it's discretionary, right? Because
your wife knows everything about you?
She does not, because not everything about me has a direct material impact on our marriage goals.
So is there anything that she should know that she don't know?
At this point, in relation to our marriage goals, no.
No, just period.
Oh, well, yeah. Come on.
So why are you keeping secrets from your wife?
I'm not keeping secrets from my wife.
So you're secretive?
Hey, no, interestingly, I am very secretive.
Let me her number, I'm call her and tell her. I say, Mrs.
Williams.
Did you know?
No, right? No, but I mean, she's aware. In fact, last time we had a conversation, there was something that we're both working on together, a particular matter. And it was last night, it just kind of came out in a way by mistake. You know, it's not that she was keeping it secret from me, but she just never told me. I mean, I said, then, when you never tell me this long time, I just said, oh, me did mean to tell you, and then it just slipped me.
Did it vex?
No. I was disappointed.
Why?
In the end, no. Let me tell you why I was disappointed.
So I ask you the other way, you know everything about your wife?
No. Not at all.
So there are things that you want to know that you don't know?
Me good with what I know.
Yeah, but you never answer my question.
Are
there things that you want to know about your wife
that I don't know? I can't say no. I really don't think so.
I personally don't think, no matter how close you are with someone, I personally don't think you share everything
right.
with anyone. I don't think you share everything with anyone. One of my daughters is easily my best friend, and is probably the only person in the world that I could think that know almost everything about me.
Right.
So any move I'm making in my life, and it seems like it might get serious or a little long term, she will know. But there are things that I deliberately don't tell her.
Right.
I hope there are things that she don't
tell you.
Deliberately don't tell me.
Right. So,
but I deliberately don't tell her everything. So I don't know if there's anyone. Well, I'm certain there's no one in my life that knows everything about me, including my family. I said something on here the other day. My sister, who I know from birth,
right.
Called me and said she never know.
Yeah.
You know. And I've known her all my life.
Right.
So there are things that not even my mother or my father would have probably known about me. So I don't know if that is being private or that is being secretive.
Yeah. Well, here's how privacy can look in your relationships. Showering or getting dressed or undressed in private, having passwords on email, social media accounts and computers, having personal conversations with friends and family, having separate bank accounts, well, kind of, and keeping embarrassing stories from your past to yourself. That's what privacy can look like.
What would be an embarrassing story for me in my past?
You know, if you tell, that with Jamaica, so you can keep it.
No. Oh, no, I definitely can't tell you that one.
Well, there you go.
I definitely can't tell you that.
All right, so let me tell you something. All right, my wife and I, we were besties. Well, and so up to today, we're still very close like that as friends, right? But one of the things we directly spoke about was some of the things in terms of like past trauma, right? And experiences that kind of shape us. So we kind of make you react a certain way. So some things will happen to you, and then it kind of trigger a little bit of a PTSD kind of reaction. And we spoke through some of those things, and it was a very heavy conversation, right? And it helped her to reach out to me and connect with me in a very significantly positive way. So I'll give you an example. I don't have a photo of me and my dad growing up. Like, there's no photo of me and daddy like that, right? And what Donette did 3 years ago was frame a photo of me and Nick, right? Blow it up, frame it, and gave me a copy and put one on his dresser. So there is a photo of me and Nick, and he loves that photo so much. It's his favorite photo, right? And when she did that for me for Father's Day, I broke down, like fully, ugly cry, the whole works, because she knew of how I grew and so on. So those kinds of things. But
I actually don't have a picture of me and my father either.
Yeah, but never you're born before camera.
Which is true.
Yeah.
No, which is true. That is true. But somebody could have painted to it.
Well, that is true. You did born after paint.
I born after paint.
Yeah.
But I did born before camera. That is true. No, that is true. I don't lie them on that talk. That's true.
What, just quickly though?
When camera come in, by the way. Let me make sure.
Camera come in after your born. What are they here? A couple of things on secrecy though. Lying about a job or career path, hiding an addiction, or lying or hiding about things like financial debt, spending habits, and stuff like that.
No, but hold on. Lying and being secret is two different things.
Or hiding, lying/hiding.
No, if I don't tell you about my business, that's being secretive. If I tell you a lie about my business, that's not being secretive. I just lie.
Yeah.
So that's two different things.
That's true.
You understand?
But sometimes people lie to hide the truth. Sometimes people lie to...
So let me tell you, I make $1 million a week. That is a lie. But if I don't tell you how much I make a week, that is being secretive. That's two different things.
There's a difference.
You know what I mean?
That is true.
So I don't think lying and being secretive is the same thing. But some people might. Anyway, interesting. That's Manversations for this week.
Hi, Tammy.
Hey, Tammy. All right, folks, coming up next, we get some sweet treats from 35 Bakery Delights. But first, here is Ryan Mark once again.
My brother John Mark Pago. Go on, man. Hey, I mean, I like how things stay out the street, you know. You know, see what I go on. Sometimes I say, God, you're dead. Are you not dead? But really and truly, I want to open up. And that is in Christ Jesus.
Sometimes I wonder if I will hold on upon God. I realize I got to hold on upon we.
Same way, so.
Oh, la, 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 la. Jesus is the rock that keeps me steady.
Come God down at the house of the Lord because me ready.
La, 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 la. Jesus is the rock, Lord, that keeps me steady.
Come God down at the house of the Lord because me ready.
Talk to me, la la la.
Me can't wait to see daylight. Me need to go to church because me have to get me head right. Last week I just fear fight. 6 days of sunlight and it coming like a beer light.
How will you think me go in a times like this? Who you think me go to when me want find peace? Got to go down on my knees. Jesus is the rock that keeps me steady.
Come go down at the house of the Lord because me ready.
keeps me steady.
Come we go down at the house of the Lord because me ready.
Church for me, I know it's not an option. The worship atmosphere, I get the answers. Below my faith and put it in the action. I want to drive and also and me one.
When 2 and 3 are gathered stronger than the one.
Yes.
No compromising, cause together we are strong.
Right.
One can chase a mob, 2 can chase 10,000.
Jesus is the rock that keeps me steady.
Come we got down at the house of the Lord because me ready.
Jesus is the rock, oh Lord, steady.
Come we got down at the house of the Lord because me
What
ready.
TVJ they watch, no, what I am a rock, yes, I'm a rock. Stronger than a collar, mommy, no, we never drop. Sheriff in a town, yes, him got the city locked. And I him alone, me call on him with the dependent that.
Him a me rock, yes him a me rock. Captain of the ship, but he must stabilize me dock. I am a guide the path and protect me round the clock. Jesus Christ, him a the solid rock.
Nice and easy.
Solid.
Jesus is the rock that keeps me steady.
Come we got down at the house of the Lord because me ready.
Jesus is the rock, yes.
He said the Imam rock part there. Give me the part there again. Imam rock. Imam rock.
Imam rock. Yes, Imam rock. Stronger than a column, mommy, no, we never drop. Sheriff in a town, yes, him got the city lock. Imam. Yes, Imam rock and
Imam rock. Yes, Imam rock. Captain of the ship, but he must stabilize the dock. I am a guide the path and protect me round the clock. Jesus Christ, him at the solid rock. Sing.
Breathe.